Hi, I'm Vonda LaFever. Thanks for joining me for this design demo from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. In this demonstration, we are going to create a beautiful floral crown. You know the popularity of the floral crowns for weddings, and we're seeing that as an increase for prom ideas too. So you don't want to be caught behind. You want to know how you can do it quick and efficiently. And Pioneer has this floral crown that works beautiful, that we can start for our construction because it's totally wired, and we just have to glue in our product and be able to turn that around so it works perfect for the head. So we're going to take that and we're going to just bend it, and actually it has a way you can put one inside the other to give us that hook in the back. You'll want to be sure to fit it to your bride or your girl's head before you do a finished product as well. So we're going to use the beautiful orchid. This is a dendrobium orchid, available in this purple as well as a cream color. So we are going to use most of the stems. So we're going to go ahead and cut these all off, leaving enough so that it gives us stem that we'll be able to glue in place on this floral crown. We're also going to use beautiful leaves. These are a leaf by Fitz that are metal and add so much for depth and really character to the design itself. Be sure when you're using the leaves or special products that you're not just using them out of the package just flat. You're not gaining anything. You want to add a little bit of character. So doing a little bit of manipulating the leaf, as well as achieving more surface area for that glue. So as you see, we just take a minute as we cut them off and twist that around so that it gives us surface area for our gluing. Take that, and again we're using the floral adhesive, the cold glue. Put this all together. So we hold that. And we're going to do the same with the solid leaves because we're going to use both textures in this floral crown. Again, you know, you can see how much more reflective it is when you take that leaf and manipulate it a little rather than keeping it just flat. So we'll get started here by taking our glue. And what we want to do is get that glue on the product itself, on all those silk flowers, so we can put them in place. Now, in this case, it's going to be very difficult for us to put glue here and then put the flower in. So we actually are just going to glue as we go. So I'm going to put that flower through the pre-made form that we have that are making it so easy. And I usually try to face the two of the orchids together. You get a little bit more visual impact that way. So if we're doing some facing of our orchids, and we want to make sure we see a little bit of that cute little white wildflower look in the center. Because as you notice when you're seeing those flower crowns, they're just not one type of flower. They're multiple. Okay, and we can put that all the way to the end. And then we never need to stop. So here we have our orchids in place. Now we're going to add in our leaves at this point. And spacing those, they're going to give us the most impact. So we have 3 of the more solid ones. Move those around. More glue. And then our open weave that will be interspersed into the floral crown. So we're going to want to let that set just a few minutes before we pick it up. Again, this same form can be used in fresh flowers as well. If we could use that form, it gives you a perfect base for your floral crowns to add in fresh flowers. Again, make sure you're doing it at room temperature. So here we see that it's all coming together. We don't want to bend that until, of course, it's completely dry. So we'll let that set, and we'll do that a little later, but this gives us the finished product. As you can see, the white orchids with the gold leaves, and this has a little rhinestone sprays as well. So it's a super easy, quick, beautiful floral crown that you can create with a product from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale.